Guys, today is my birthday, and I just did something crazy. I just climbed Mount Everest in the middle of a coronavirus outbreak. But not this Everest in Nepal. The Everest inside of my building in Singapore, where I climbed over 57,000 steps. It was hard, it was hot, and I wanted to quit. I cannot do another step. See, wherever in the world you're at, your city or town has a Mount Everest too. It's called stairs. Climb enough stairs and you can climb your own Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world, standing 8,848 meters. The building you see behind me is my Everest. Say hello to the Draycott Tower, a 33-story building in Singapore. I took my drone up to measure the height. It's 103 meters to the top of the building.
That's 86 times the summit.
86 times.
I'll do it if you do it.
Okay, let's do it together.
Yes!
How are you feeling?
Nervous.
You think this is possible?
I think it is possible. I think it's going to be one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life. And with the support of our roommates, we were going to attempt this crazy feat.
They're not gonna make it.
Mitch, why are you doing this?
You may think there's only one Mount Everest right now, but in fact there are many. It's a tough time, and the world right now is struggling with loneliness, with economic problems, and worst of all, some people have even lost their family members or loved ones due to COVID-19. I'm doing this for them. And this was one of the most challenging things I've done in my life. We went up, we went down, we went up, and we went down, climbing to the top of Everest. And each trip to the top was a mini victory, but knowing you have to do it all over again made it tough. Each time brought us either closer to the goal or closer to defeat. Cramps, exhaustion, and heat strokes could lead to death if we weren't careful. So we drank ice water and took cold showers every 10 times to avoid heat strokes. On my 73rd time of climbing the building, I thought I couldn't go anymore. Just like the many people right now who think we can't win against this global pandemic. But I stood up and I kept going because I knew our capabilities are infinite. As I climbed these stairs, stair by stair, step by step, hundreds of thousands of healthcare workers are on the front lines helping people who have gotten sick and working to come up with a vaccine. So I committed to finishing. After going up 57,420 stairs, climbing 2,871 stories, and 8,848 meters, oh, you're sweaty.
I know, we're all sweating.
To me, this climb to the top is not about physical effort. It's about belief that even when times get tough, we can overcome them. Together we will beat COVID-19, and together we will get to the top of our own Mount Everest.